Imagine waking up one day to find your small investment has multiplied tenfold or vanished overnight. In a world where money moves faster than ever, deciding where to invest, crypto or stocks, can feel like navigating a minefield. Today, we're diving deep into the battlefield of investments, uncovering the secrets, risks, and the real power behind the world's two most popular avenues for wealth. By the end, you'll see why your choice could change your life forever. The rise of cryptocurrency isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's a revolution. From Bitcoin's mysterious inception to Ethereum's smart contracts, crypto has captured the imagination of millions around the globe. People who invested early are now living the dream, turning a few $100s into unimaginable fortunes. But behind this glittering promise lies a world of chaos, volatility, and unpredictability. One tweet or sudden government regulation can send prices spiraling, leaving investors anxious, sleepless, and wondering if the gamble is worth it. Crypto markets operate 24/7. Unlike traditional markets, offering both unparalleled opportunities and terrifying risks. The adrenaline of seeing your investment surge by 20% overnight is addictive, but the crash that could follow in the next few hours is equally soul-crushing. Many investors enter thinking of the quick money, yet only those who understand market psychology, blockchain technology, and global trends survive the storm. The emotional roller coaster of crypto investment is intense, and you must ask yourself, are you ready for it? Despite the risks, crypto has a unique charm: decentralization, transparency, and the possibility of exponential gains. With DeFi, NFTs, and the growing adoption of blockchain technology, the potential for new wealth creation seems limitless. But one question remains: is this potential sustainable, or is it just a fleeting dream fueled by hype and fear of missing out? The stability of stock market on. The other side lies the stock market, a world that has built fortunes steadily for over a century. Stocks may not offer the explosive growth of crypto, but they provide something equally valuable: stability. Companies with strong fundamentals, proven business models, and consistent dividends reward patient investors in ways crypto rarely can. While crypto is a roller coaster, stocks are more like a river, sometimes fast, sometimes calm, but always moving forward. Investing in stocks demands research, patience, and discipline. Unlike crypto, which can skyrocket based on social media buzz, stock prices are grounded in real-world performance, earnings reports, and industry trends. The market may dip during crises, but historically it recovers and grows over time. Legendary investors like Warren Buffett didn't become billionaires chasing overnight trends. They mastered the art of understanding value, timing, and risk. The beauty of stocks lies in compounding. Reinvesting dividends and holding long-term can quietly turn modest investments into life-changing wealth. You might not experience the heart-stopping highs of crypto, but you also avoid the gut-wrenching crashes. If financial security and predictable growth matter to you more than adrenaline, stocks could be your battlefield and your safe haven. Risk versus reward. Every investment comes with a price, and the price is risk. Crypto offers astronomical rewards, but the margin for error is razor-thin. A single wrong decision, a hack, or a sudden regulation can wipe out months or years of gains in a blink. On the other hand, the stock market is far less volatile, but its slower pace can frustrate those craving rapid results. The fundamental question is, do you want the thrill of the chase or the quiet satisfaction of steady growth? Understanding risk isn't just about numbers. It's about psychology. Crypto investors often battle FOMO, panic selling, and greed, while stock investors wrestle with patience, market timing, and resisting the urge to panic during downturns. Each choice tests your emotional strength, decision-making, and ability to separate logic from fear. In many ways, the battle between crypto and stocks is not just financial, it's deeply personal. At the end of the day, both paths can make or break you. The thrill of crypto might bring instant wealth, but it can destroy confidence faster than it builds it. Stocks may take decades to compound into fortunes, yet they also teach resilience, discipline, and the art of strategic thinking. Choosing your battlefield means understanding your personality, tolerance, and ultimate financial goals. Liquidity and access, one of crypto's greatest advantages, is accessibility. With just a smartphone and an internet connection, anyone can trade, invest, or speculate. Borders vanish, and opportunities are everywhere, but so are scams. Exchanges can fail, wallets can be hacked, and sudden regulations can trap your funds. The accessibility of crypto is both a blessing and a curse, demanding vigilance, education, and constant awareness. Stock markets are less forgiving in terms of speed, but more secure in structure. Regulation, oversight, and investor protection make it harder for a single mistake to be catastrophic. Stocks may not be accessible to everyone at all times, but they provide the infrastructure needed to grow wealth safely. Brokerage accounts, mutual funds, and ETFs offer entry points for new investors while minimizing the risks of complete loss. The trade-off is clear: speed and freedom versus stability and security. Crypto gives you the thrill and the immediate power to act, while stocks provide a dependable environment for measured, intelligent growth. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize instant opportunity or long-term sustainability. Volatility and emotional stress. Volatility defines crypto. Prices swing wildly, influenced by rumors, celebrity endorsements, or sudden global events. Investors are constantly on edge, checking charts late at night, analyzing every news headline, and questioning every decision. The emotional stress is real, and only those who master their nerves can thrive. Many lose more than money. They lose sleep, confidence, and peace of mind. Stock market volatility exists too, but it's generally milder. Daily fluctuations rarely destroy portfolios unless the investor over-leverages or panics. Emotional control is important, but the stakes aren't life-shattering. Stocks teach patience, discipline, and long-term thinking, traits often overshadowed by the dopamine-driven highs of crypto. Ultimately, your mental and emotional tolerance may dictate your investment path. Can you handle the sleepless nights and gut-wrenching swings of crypto, or do you prefer the calm, measured approach of stocks? Your answer will shape not just your finances, but your entire life experience. Historical performance Bitcoin has turned early adopters into overnight millionaires, creating headlines and inspiring millions. Its meteoric rise is awe-inspiring, but history is short. The crypto market has only existed for a little over a decade, and while past surges were dramatic, future growth is uncertain and unpredictable. Will regulation, competition, or technological failures limit its future? The answer remains unclear, leaving investors in suspense. Stocks, in contrast, have centuries of proven performance. Despite wars, depressions, and market crashes, equity markets worldwide have consistently grown, delivering compounded returns to disciplined investors. History favors patience and consistency. While the gains may seem slower, they are real, tangible, and backed by companies producing real goods and services. By comparing historical data, it's clear. Crypto is a high-stakes gamble with potentially massive payoffs, while stocks are a slow-burning fire, steadily building wealth over decades. Which approach suits your life, goals, and risk appetite? Diversification and portfolio strategy. No matter how exciting crypto seems, experts rarely advise putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification protects wealth and minimizes losses. Stocks offer natural diversification through sectors, industries, and global markets. Crypto offers fewer options, but innovative solutions like DeFi and blockchain projects can help spread risk, though at a higher volatility cost. The best investors combine both worlds. Allocating a small portion of your portfolio to crypto while keeping the majority in stable stocks can deliver the thrill of high returns while maintaining a safety net. Strategy, research, and timing are everything. Those who blindly follow trends without diversification often face heartbreak, while those who plan methodically can navigate both worlds safely. Building a portfolio isn't just about returns, it's about protecting your future. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each asset class will allow you to craft a plan tailored to your goals, temperament, and long-term vision. Technological revolution versus corporate power. Crypto represents the future of finance, a decentralized, transparent, and technology-driven world. Blockchain promises to disrupt industries, redefine currencies, and democratize wealth. Investing here is like buying a ticket to the future, full of uncertainty, risk, and unimaginable potential. Every innovation could bring massive gains or catastrophic losses. Stocks, however, represent stability, trust, and proven corporate power. Companies innovate, adapt, and grow in ways that have been tested for decades. The stock market thrives on tangible assets, revenue streams, and regulatory oversight. Its strength lies not in the possibility of overnight change, but in consistent evolution and resilience through time. Choosing between crypto and stocks is, in essence, choosing between the unpredictable future and the proven past. Do you chase the next technological revolution or ride the steady tide of corporate growth? The answer will define your financial journey. Psychological impact of investing. Investing isn't just a numbers game, it's a mind game. Crypto investors face constant highs and lows, testing their courage, patience, and rationality. The fear of missing out can push them to make irrational decisions, while greed can blind them to looming risks. The emotional stakes are immense, and only those who master their psychology can survive the market's turbulence. Stock investors, in contrast, cultivate resilience and patience. Waiting for dividends, watching portfolios grow steadily, and resisting panic during downturns trains discipline and emotional strength. While less glamorous than crypto's roller coaster, the psychological benefit of stability is immense, fostering confidence, peace of mind, and long-term strategic thinking. Your emotional makeup may determine which market suits you best. Are you a thrill seeker willing to gamble for explosive gains, or a strategist who values calm, consistent growth? Recognizing your psychology is as critical as understanding market dynamics. Conclusion: your financial path. The ultimate choice between crypto and stocks comes down to your goals, risk tolerance, and personality. Crypto offers explosive potential, thrilling highs, and gut-wrenching lows. Stocks offer consistency, stability, and compounding growth. Both paths have winners and losers, but understanding yourself is the key to choosing wisely. Some investors combine the best of both worlds, hedging risks, diversifying portfolios, and strategically allocating capital. Others focus solely on one path, accepting the risks and rewards that come with it. There's no universal answer, only a personal journey defined by your decisions, patience, and courage. Your financial destiny is in your hands. Whether you chase the lightning-fast surge of crypto or the steady river of stocks, educate yourself, strategize, and act wisely. The right choice today could change your life tomorrow. Don't wait, because every moment you hesitate, opportunity passes by. Now imagine looking back a year from now. Will you be celebrating life-changing gains or regretting the opportunities you missed? The path you choose today shapes your future wealth, freedom, and peace of mind. Subscribe now to unlock more insider strategies, investment insights, and the secrets that most people never learn. Don't just watch. Take control of your financial journey, and let's conquer the world of money together.